Hulk, the green morning conqueror, what's for breakfast? Hulk will smash it. Captain America, so, Cap's gone avo-CAP-o today, ready to shield the world. Spiderman, when spiders leap, maybe I should think of a new costume. Thor, come on, today I'll wear a lightning bolt cape that's fashionable. Ironman, when Tony Stark feels fly, Ironman, don't forget to prep your salon gear. Ant-Man, the tiny one with mighty strength, maybe I should stop shrinking at the beach. Groot, I am Groot. Translation, best plant for self-indulgence? Root beer. Doctor Strange, the quirky doctor who's also a magician, Abracadabra. Wakanda Forever. Superman, if Superman turned into a bird of paradise, look up in the sky. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? It's Superman. Batman, when Batman turns into a bird of paradise, I am the darkness, fly, beauty. Wolverine, the killer who's also a cat lover, maybe I should hang out with Garfield today. Captain Marvel, when Carol Danvers feels empowered, changing the world one quail at a time. Wonder Woman, Amazonian under the sun, I can do anything, including flying. Deadpool, when Wade Wilson cracks jokes, bird? I know how to make it chatter. Scarlet Witch, the red sorceress playing tricks, now you see it, now you see it again. Aquaman, the sea king with wings, fountain water, my new power source. Loki, when the god of mischief transforms, maybe this time I'll be a bird, less than 10 chaos. Thanos, when Thanos becomes a bird, should I search for 6 quail eggs? Harley Quinn, when Harley jokes around, my bird of paradise has a wild grin. Joker, when the Joker turns into a bird, today, the world laughs with me, ha ha ha. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.